Okie dokie, right. First time in Rwanda, again, Namibia. Let's just do a little bit of filming. So we're straight into a game park, seems like. Bwanta. I think, Kevin, this is the one you were mentioning. I didn't realize I was like in it. I thought I'd have to go somewhere else. So I'll do a little bit of filming. And Rundu, here we come. I really didn't realize it's a national park. Speed limit of 40. Maybe we see some game. How's that? Jeez. I did see, I'm ignorant, could have been eland, female, on the road from Nata to Maun. And just saw some monkeys, of course, coming into the border post. You know. Ellie! So of course gravel road like this is fine. This is good gravel, and you're going 40 or 50. This is, I'm having this whole toss up with gravel and stuff. So gravel like this is, it's not stressful, it's slow. So you just you'd have to plan for it, that this is not a fast trip. You still got to be a bit careful, but this is a good condition gravel road. I'm running, actually, I'm speeding now because I'm going 50. Like really, it's just over 2,000 revs, which I actually don't sort of like, because it feels like it's, so I'll drop down to third, because that's just under 3,000. So sort of feels that from 3 is where it's comfortable. Under 3, you're like, feels like you're working on the torque too much. It feels like it's, where from 3,000 it's running freer. It's a bit hard to do game spotting and riding, of course, all at the same time. So it's 33 k's to Divundu, so I'm not sure where the exit of the park's going to be, but up there somewhere. So the slower, leisurely ride. I'm really not stressing about getting to Rundu. It's it might take a bit longer, but all right. There's some game up ahead. Buck. All the clever game people will be able to say what type of buck, of course. A bit rutted. Its corrugations are not pleasant. Second gear, 30 k's, 35 k's an hour. But I think I'll switch off, and if there's something, then we'll just switch on again.